Hello guys, welcome back. Now in this session we are going to discuss about Terraform modules. So let's look into the agenda. What are the topics we are going to cover in this session? So guys, in this session we are going to start our discussion with what actually the Terraform modules is. We will also discuss about why to use Terraform modules. We will understand the benefit of using Terraform modules, and we will perform a lab to understand the mechanics of Terraform modules. So guys, let's start the discussion with the question what actually the Terraform modules is. So in a very simple term, I can say that Terraform module is nothing but a way by which you can organize your code. So guys, so far we have done many exercises to understand how to write the code within the Terraform, and with the help of those exercises we understand all the basic to write the Terraform code. So now we reach at a point where we must have to understand that at the project level how we can organize our Terraform code, and this is where Terraform module comes into the picture for organizing the code. So now the next question comes over here is why to use Terraform modules? What is the benefit of using the Terraform modules? So in a very simple term, I can say that Terraform modules help us to achieve the dry principle. What is dry principle? Don't repeat yourself. So that means once you have written any code, the same code you can use it for other environment as well as for other projects. So what it means? Let's understand with an example. So guys, we are into the example diagram, and over here you will see that we are having three environment for a project where we are using development environment, and for development environment we are using EC2 instance that is of T2 micro. To make this example simple, I have kept only a simple resource that is EC2 instance, but within a real-time project we are having many resources within an infrastructure. Anyway, if you look into this diagram, then you will see that for each of the respective environment I have written a separate TF file, and each of the TF file contains most of the code is the same code, only the instance type argument is different. And this is where we are violating the dry principle, and it is quite problematic when you are managing the large infrastructure with three different code base for each of the respective environment. So now the question comes over here is how do we get rid of all these problems of repetition of the code? So the answer is modules. So guys, with the help of Terraform module, we can manage the same kind of a code like this. If you will see it over here, each of the respective environment is referring the same file, but we are passing different argument according to the environment. If we are using dev environment, then we are passing the argument as T2 micro. When we are using test environment, we are passing the T2.small, and when we are using prod, we are passing the T2.large instance type. This is just a simple example I have taken, but it is applicable to any of the resources or say any number of the resources. So now you must get the answer of why to use modules. Modules help us to reuse the code and organize our code in a better way. When we do an example or say when we perform a lab, then we will look into how to write the modules to achieve the code reusability. So guys, let's proceed further. So guys, now we have understand what actually the Terraform modules is, and we have also looked into an example to understand why to use Terraform modules. And with the help of that example, we have also understand the benefit of Terraform modules. So what are the benefits we achieve? The first benefit we achieve is the code reusability. So that means you should write the code once and you can use the same code for different purpose or say for different projects. Another benefit we will get, maintaining the Terraform code is very easy. Suppose if any changes is coming, so you just need to write the change within a single file for the respective resources. Another benefit we are achieving through module is it help us or say it stop us to violate the dry principle, because with the help of Terraform modules we are writing it once and we are reusing it many places. So guys, we have done enough of talk now. So what we will do in the next session, we will perform a lab where we will design the same project which we have seen in our diagram. So this is what we are going to design in our next session when we perform the lab, where we will have the code for dev environment, test environment and the production environment. And each of the respective environment use their respective instance type. For example, if we are using dev environment, it will use T2.micro instance. When we are using test environment, it will create T2.small. And when you are using prod, then it will create T2.large instance. So guys, on this note, I am stopping over here. See you in the next session to perform the lab. Till then, bye bye, take care.